Riz oranges. What raised me from childhood? Yakult. Hello, I am not in my apartment. I'm at home. Hello, mother. Hello. Today is exciting because, as you guys know, I don't know how to cook very well. So I am going to be receiving domestic wifed up lessons from my parents, and we're going to be grocery shopping for the first time for my apartment. And we're gonna be stocking up on like sauces, condiments, salt and pepper, buying some groceries, little eggies, and I'm also gonna be cooking my first meal in the apartment. So I'm really excited. I literally am dragging my parents to come with me because I have no effing clue what I'm looking for. I thought I would learn from the best. My dad is super chef vibes. Basically, as most of you guys are aware, I just moved into my new apartment a little while ago that I've been renovating completely from scratch. So if you're not caught up on the entire condo makeover series, go watch that, because what we have now is completely different from what we started with, but I haven't gotten around to like cooking yet. It's kind of embarrassing the amount of like money that I've racked up on Uber Eats. No, it's like actually embarrassing. It's actually embarrassing. So I want to become like a real adult who can cook more than avocado toast. Let's go to the supermarket. I don't know how to do it.
反正看上去新鲜的就 OK 了，那个下面这么短一点，就要 fresh 一点就 OK 了。看上去这个新鲜一点。
She goes, no, you picked all the wrong ones.
老抽就是颜色比较深，咸的就没有那么的咸，生抽呢就是比较咸，颜色淡一点的。呀。
Haul time! I did a gigantic shopping run at TNT, but I actually had to do a bunch of other things today, so it's been like 8 hours later. I have to do this fast because some of this food needs to be refrigerated ASAP. First thing that I have to refrigerate so ASAP is I got this salmon fillet, which you'll see in a bit when I cook it. I'm going to be cooking my first meal and I'm so excited. It's with my favorite type of meat. That's what she said. Did she say that? That's gonna be so yummy delicious. And then the next thing I got for the dish, some good old broccoli. I also got the main necessity and sustenance for my well-being. This is how I prepare for my first dates. I eat Riz. You eat Riz for breakfast, you'll be the ultimate Riz master. I literally tell you, I'm not saying that it's causation, but maybe a correlation. I have just been so Riz master girl boss on these first dates lately. Honestly though, maybe it's not that Rizzy because it's only on first date. Second date is a whole other story that I don't really want to get into. Anyway, rice is the essential, and then a little lemon. I also got eggs, the essentials for breakfast protein. Dude, I've been so gym bro lately. I've been eating protein powder. No, like literally, who is she? Who allowed this? I know, bro. Trust me, I know. But it's been working. Like, I kind of been slaying at the gym lately. Anyway, I also got some Greek yogurt because I went on this date and we were talking about the gym together. No, bro, I literally swear to God, like once you become a gym bro, it's so true that like your entire personality disappears and gets replaced with protein powder. So I am desperately trying to hold on to my personality. I'm hanging on by a thread. Anyway, to continue with the protein storyline, I was on this first date and we were talking about the gym and he was like, oh, like there's so much protein in Greek yogurt, and look what I got. I got Greek yogurt. Listen. It's all for the benefit of the body, okay? For the body, she's trying to slay. She's trying to actually take care of herself, so don't judge me for the route that I'm going down. But I get it now. I really get it. Like the gym bros, I'm so sorry for judging you in the past. Like, I get it. Also, had to get a bag of my favorite fruit in the entire world, oranges. Get that vitamin C. I think I'm gonna eat one right after this, but these look so juicy and delicious. Okay, now for sauces and cooking essentials. Okay, Okay, of course I got table salt. What's new? Avocado oil. Usually I would have gotten like vegetable oil, like canola oil, but I actually recently found out that it's really, really bad for you to cook with vegetable oil. I forgot the exact reasoning why, but you should just basically avoid it because it's really bad for your body. So when you can, you should use olive oil or like anything but vegetable oil, I believe. If you're not vegan, like animal fats is actually really good if you have like leftovers. Avocado oil, I think sunflower oil is, I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on this. I also got some vinegar. Man, do I have traumatic stories with this, but I'm obsessed with this vinegar. It's so good with dumplings, but in elementary school, I remember one time I brought dumplings to school and like had vinegar dip with it. And to be fair, this does have a very strong scent, but one of the kids was like, ew, what are you eating? And ever since then, I've been a little bit iffy eating like dumplings in public, but girl, you're missing out. Also have some light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Honestly, wait. Oh, this one's Shinto and then this one is, wait, this is not, no, okay, wait, this is cooking wine. Bro, my Chinese reading skills are not up to par. Okay, this is cooking wine. I will tell you, I've never cooked with this before because all the dishes I've cooked in the past have basically been white people food dishes, like Italian. Bro, why can I only name one type of white cuisine? Anyway, like it's kind of like HelloFresh style. The way that my parents cook and the way that I've learned to cook is so different, and I just want to learn how to cook more Asian food because it's like my favorite type of cuisine. And then this is the dark soy sauce. So honestly, I didn't even know that there was a difference between soy sauces, but there you go. And then I have some black pepper, some sesame oil. My favorite combo for dipping dumplings is sesame oil and vinegar. And then I also got some honey. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you guys in the future, but hear me out. My favorite avocado toast combo is honey spreaded on the bottom of the toasted slice of bread. On top, you put avocado, do your seasoning, whatever, put a runny egg on top. Listen, I know it sounds weird to put honey on it, but it's so good. You have to try it, and I'll show you guys how I do it in the future. I also got some almond butter. And then just for vibes, I got these 3 drinks. I usually don't really drink anything other than water, but I actually have never bought one of these before. It's one of those drinks where you pop the glass bead into the middle to like open it. Now that I make my own money, I'm like, wait a minute, let me avenge my childhood where I was perpetually jealous of other kids who got to drink this. Anyway, I don't really know what this one is, but it's like a plastic version. It might be a knockoff. Somebody tell me in the comments, please. And then I also got an aloe vera drink. I love aloe. I love the pulp in it, but I know some people hate it. And then we have none other than our MVP. What raised me from childhood. Yakult. Yakult. Yeah. I'm desperately trying to think of a pun right now. Oh, I can't say that on the internet. Anyway, I didn't realize that I got the light version. I think the light version actually just means that it's more watered down. Anyway, I'm now gonna put all of these into the cabinet and then let's start cooking. Okay, well, it's okay. I see. How do I make the skin crispy? Wow, did I put too much oil in? How do I know when to flip it? Oh my god. Oh, it's too fast. 太熟了. Where do I put it? Oh my god, where do I put it? Ah! Can I can't reuse this oil, so I should try. Oh no! No!
Okay.
Hello. It is taste test time. We finally finished after like 2 hours.
Oh.
And couldn't do it without Dad helping me literally the entire time. So we're gonna try it and hopefully it's still warm. Try the salmon.
First time. Good.
It's okay.
Wow. Yeah, it's really good.
Is it? Is it actually?
Have you?
It's okay. Oh, the skin.哦，花菜是呀，饭有一点硬，烧的不够长还是水不够？
就是水稍微太多一点。
How come 需要用电饭锅 is it faster?
Either control.
How long did it take? Like 2个小时。
没有，1个多小时。
你烧的话是多长时间？
半个小时多，不错。
Someday you've got to